Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, we have an unbagging. It was not in a box. I kind of sort of want to call this a what TF did I order because I am really not sure. I mentioned before, you all, in my first, excuse me, Walmart Birkin unboxing, unwrapping video that I had ordered, and I'm trying to keep from showing my address on the other side, that I had ordered two others, but y'all, that was far over a month ago, and this literally just arrived on my porch, and I didn't receive a notification or anything. I did receive previously notification that the order was canceled, one of them, so I'm guessing this is the other one. So I decided to go ahead and unwrap this with you all so we can find out at the same time what TF I ordered. The silhouette is giving me Walmart Birkin, the Wirkin, and it looks like I'm right, y'all. Okay, so let me go ahead and unwrap it so we can take a look at it together. And if this is your first time watching my video, as you continue to watch, if you feel like you would like to subscribe to my channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. And so I guess this is like the dust bag for it. Okay, y'all, so glad I just didn't open it not knowing what it was and decided to go ahead and record it. So I guess this is the other Wirkin that, like I said, it's been far over a month, probably going on 2 months since I ordered this, y'all. Right away, it does not look like the picture did. And this is not giving genuine leather either. I will say that it is pretty. I like the combination of the colors. The canvas mixed with the leather, but this leather is not giving me genuine leather. So it does have feet. It's very light. The stitching is not good, as you see the double stitch there. And yeah, you can see the stitching quality throughout is not what it should be, but it is a Wirkin. One of and I was asking the comments as far as like a link for the first one that I unboxed. Y'all, when I tell you that after I ordered it, there was no link. Like if I go back to try to find it on the website, it disappeared. And I believe I mentioned that in the video that I guess there was an issue with the sellers, however many sellers there were on the Walmart site, and maybe they weren't allowed to list there again. I don't know, but there was literally no link for me to share with you all for you to order, because once I ordered these, and like I said, it was far over a month ago, the seller did not restock or did not put the item back on the Walmart website. So this one does have a lining. Y'all, this is giving very, very, it's nowhere near the quality of the first one that I unwrapped. This is giving pleather, and this is probably PU leather, or I'll just call it pleather as well. So I don't know if it's possible for me to even try to return this or not, y'all. I'm gonna try. So I'm not planning to unwrap this fully like I did the first one. And right away, it's not giving what the other one gave. Oops. So I'm not gonna put everything together like I did before, because I can absolutely tell that this is not genuine leather. This one I think was maybe like $70 or $80, if I recall. Yeah, y'all. This quality is not what the first one was at all. Yeah, we're not gonna go into extensive detail like I did. I will link that video in the description of this one. I believe I finally got through everyone's comments about the leather itself. There were a lot of comments that said that you all had also ordered or were able to order the Wirkin as well, and what colors you all had, and that you actually enjoyed it. I saw a couple comments that said that they had ordered it. It had been well over a year ago, prior to everything kind of going viral, and that their bag was holding up just fine. I also saw comments that were kind of mixed, where they had ordered some received genuine leather bags, and some people received bags where the leather was not real, not genuine leather. So I guess it just kind of depends, maybe the luck of the draw. Like even the glazing on here, everything feels like plastic. It does not feel like leather at all. The other one I had as well, the genuine leather, the first one that I unboxed, it was not lined. This one has, like I said, it feels like plastic or pleather lining in it. And before I pack it back, I guess I could give you all a good view of it so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. It has this little slip pocket back here, zipper pocket. I was about to restuff it. Even the zipper looks off. Was that the strap that fell? It's giving me play purse, y'all. This is not anywhere near close to the quality of the first one. I am going to share an update video with you all for the Wirkin, so that you can see what fits in it, what I accessorized with it, and how it has held up as well. So stay tuned for that one. But yeah, now y'all can see the stitching that I am seeing as well. Let me see if I can get it to close without unwrapping it all of the way. Because this was absolutely advertised as a genuine leather bag. And the other one, like I mentioned, there were 2 other ones, so it was going to be a total of 3. That one just completely canceled a little while after I recorded the first video. This one I thought was canceled as well, because I hadn't received it, and there was really no status of the delivery for it. So I really thought the order was canceled, or it was pending cancellation. But this showed up, so this is it, y'all. This is The picture looked totally different as well. The picture made it look like it was almost twice this size. And I thought it was going to be pretty to have a canvas mixed with the leather for this particular silhouette. But the quality is not there. It's nowhere near that price. So it is indeed going back. So I am going to put the strap and the lock and everything back inside, along with this little puff. And I also noticed, y'all, on the outside of the shipping label, it had a label on top of another label. So it's giving me the impression that maybe like a private seller ordered it from somewhere else and then put their, once they received it, put their label on top of the original shipping label. And that could be what took forever for me to receive it, and also why I couldn't really get any tracking status on it either. So y'all, I'm gonna stick with the first one that I got, and I don't think I'm gonna take a gamble anymore on the Wirkin, the Walmart Birkin Wirkin. Let me know if you all have been able to order any, and if you decided to order a genuine leather one or the PU leather one, or not. And if you've also had the same experience where you had to cancel your order, or the order was canceled, or even if you, like I said, received your order and you saw that there was 2 shipping labels on it. So yeah, this one was quite weird. So for it to just appear like that, I wanted to go ahead and open it as soon as possible to see what was inside. Like, that even looks like ink on the canvas there. But y'all, this one is not a keeper. So like I said, I am looking forward to updating you all on the first one. At least I did get 1 keeper out of the 3. It was 3 originally, but only 2 showed up. So 1 keeper, and I will share that update with you all. And now you've seen a good one, and now you've seen one that did not so good one, should I say, that is not a keeper. It's absolutely going back. So this one ended up being a much shorter video than the first one. I will absolutely link that in the description, as I said. And let me know your thoughts on this one, y'all. I'm looking forward to reading your comments for this particular dud, is what I'm going to call it. And hopefully I can return it and get a refund on it, because this was a very, very weird order. Very weird for me to just receive it out of nowhere. 2 labels on it, not as pictured, absolutely not genuine leather. And then, yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It did not go as expected, but I look forward to reading you all's comments. Thank you so much for watching, liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very, very wonderful day. Hopefully I can get it back in here and put some tape on it and figure out how to return it, y'all. Fingers crossed. And I will update you all in the update on the actual real leather one that I received. I will update you all on if I was able to get a refund on this one or not. So we're going to tape this right back on up and try to return to sender. All right, y'all, have a wonderful day.